72 Chevy K5 Blazer, complete nut and bolt, full tilt boogie restoration. And we're going to start at $100,000. That tells you something right there.
Yeah, this is one of the it cars here at the entire auction. LS3 power, it's a Jim Crate engine, 430 horsepower with a matching 4L85 automatic. All the suspension has been replaced. Magnaflow stainless steel exhaust, those Coy's rally style wheels. If you take a look inside, that kind of a retro look with the tartan plaid look inside there. That's from Stein Snowden. And we're to the point now with this series of both the C10 trucks and the K5 Blazers of the same time period, sharing a very similar platform, where much of the updates on this vehicle are literally buy them, bolt them in, plug them in, and they're ready to go. It's incredible where we're at with these right now, as we've kind of talked about all day long.
Yeah, I mean, do we all realize that we're looking at a $150,000 Chevy Blazer?
Yeah.
Well, we got 160. That's your 150.
That's insane. It's got to be, I mean, at least in the neighborhood of some kind of record. I don't know who keeps those records. But
No, it's not.
You know
what's weird, yeah.
Really?
I don't think so. No official record keeping, but they brought more than this.
What? You don't have it? No, we're good.
We haven't sold this one yet either.
I realize, yeah. Well, and it, I thought Matt Morvac was going to close the bid here for a second.
What's that?
Maybe not.
I can't take the rest of it. I gotta have more.
What do you got to have?
It's a long gap there, man. I need
Well, they're trying to still work it out. You want to take a look underneath this Blazer for a second, John?
I'd love to see what a six-figure plus
175.
Blazer looks like up underneath. What do you guys say?
I'll bet
Go for it.
I'll bet it's
There
clean.
we go.
Oh, that's clean.
Wow.
Yeah, that's see the LS3 and the transmission we just saw there, bright, brand new. There's the Magnaflow exhaust, stainless steel we talked about, just gorgeous up underneath as well.
We're 160 of a closer bit of view. The Mecum rule is $180,000.
Okay, that's the Mecum rule. You just heard Matt say it's going to take 20 grand to
How many people think he should stay at 160?
buy that truck.
Yeah.
He'll take 180. That'll get it bought right away.
Hey, Frank. Hey, Frank. Hold on.
Oh.
And you've got 170 on the internet. Well, I've got a new bidder. Since we're gonna. Here's what we're gonna do. Remember we were talking about that subsection C thing. We got a new bidder in. $170,000 is bid on that.
Wow.
$180,000. We're opening it back up.
So the internet is in now
170.
at 170.
$180,000. 170's a bid. $180,000.
I saw. Yeah, they got 170.
Yes, it is. 170. $180,000. $170,000 now with the new bidder on the internet, ladies and gentlemen. This is breaking news.
There it is.
Hey.
That breaking news is what we wanted to
that
see.
Blazer's for
And that
sale.
is the reserve
Now.
coming off at
$180,000
$170,000.
and else. 170, 180 if he comes back. I'll lose my hat. 180,000 a bid. 170, and he'll lose his, and he even wearing one.
Yeah, I know.
180,000. 170. Not going to any better than $180,000. I'd have.
All done.
Sold
Thank you,
for
man.
$170,000. Sold. Give a hand, folks. Sold.
Well,
That
that was
a lot. May not be a record, but still, that's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money, but what a stellar, ultra high quality build with all the modern updates right there.
The person at 160 owned that Blazer for about a minute and a half.
Yes, they did.